When you're using your emails, you would have to click in your inbox and it opens the entire thing. But if you want to see your other emails, you would have to go back to the inbox. Did you know that Gmail is what we call a reading pane, where you no longer need to open the entire email like that, and you don't have access to the rest of the emails? You'd have to go back. For you to activate that, you simply go to where there is a gear icon, you scroll down, and you go to where it says reading pane. You can either put the reading pane at the bottom or on your right, which is normally where we put it. So you click on right of inbox and then you click close. Now you are able to click on an email and read it through, and you don't have to go back. All you need to do is click on the second email and then start reading the email. That makes life easier. So that's how you make use of the reading pane.